Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Well, this is the Big Daddy Chef, Ajay Chopra, solving all your tiffin troubles because we've got for you a brand new recipe for every brand new school day. Well, today I've got for you a lovely street speciality from the western part of India. What you can do is recreate this at home, a lovely Oats Dabeli, and that's how you will create Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. Well, I'm adding oats. You know, these oats are made out of a grain called groats. It's actually very healthy. It's great because it's got a lot of protein and a lot of fiber. It just helps a lot of digestion as well as, it just doesn't make you feel hungry very quickly. A little bit of oil just to start doing the masala. I'm going to add chopped onions. Once the onions are quickly sauteed, I'm going to add chopped capsicum. I'm going to add the rest of the vegetables, which has got the cauliflower, which is blanched, green peas, which is again blanched, a little bit of chopped cabbage. साथ ही मैं डालूंगा थोड़ा सा नमक, a bit of crushed pepper, जीरा powder, a little bit of chili powder, haldi powder. Now at this stage, a little bit of water so that the vegetables kind of get cooked fully. And now I'm ready to add the Kissan Sweet and Spicy sauce. Well, this actually blends in beautifully and brings out a great flavor which is sweet and spicy. Lovely. I'm ready to add the boiled potatoes so that everything kind of comes together. I'm going to cook the chopped tomatoes along with the entire mixture so that it becomes nice and tangy as well. Now just steam it for about 2 minutes so that it just kind of gets everything together. Wow. I'm going to add pomegranate seeds, which are going to give it freshness as well as flavor, as well as chopped bananas. Masher on and just going to mash everything together. Now the dabeli mixture is nicely smashed. Time to add the toasted oats into it, a little bit of the dabeli masala, and finally some chaat masala. Just a little touch of coriander. And just stir this mixture really well. Okay, this mixture is done. Now we're just going to quickly make the paos ready and the dabeli is good to go. It's a healthy dish, so just a few drops of oil. Pre-cut paos like this, just go. Alright, now the paos have to become crisp on both the sides, and there they go. Just stuff the dabeli mixture right in. और इसको बंद करने से पहले I'm going to just add grated cheese. Now this goes back. I have with me, this peanut masala which you get from the market. With that, I'm going to add these leftover chopped onions and a little bit of the chopped coriander. And finally, just take it like this and dab it from all sides. Let it just coat. Tiffin is ready to go. This dabeli goes right in. Health is obviously required because the snacks have to be healthy. So some raisins and some fresh fruits, watermelon. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Well, if you did, subscribe to India Food Network because you got to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.